sa Ford Commonwealth. Isa na naman sa mga leader namin sa M-Unicorn Group of Tycoons na naglabas ng sasakyan. Wild Truck 2015 model, top of the line.
Dito na. This is it. Sa hirap, pagod, puyat, rejection, ito na yun.
Yeah, man. So we back in the club with our bodies rocking from side to side, side to side. Thank God the week is done. I feel like a zombie gone back to life, back to life. Hands up, yeah, suddenly we all got our hands up. No control of my body. Ain't I seen you before? I think I remember those eyes. 'Cause baby tonight, the DJ got us falling in love again. Yeah, baby tonight, the DJ got us falling in love again. So dance, dance like it's the last night of your life. Life won't get you right. 'Cause baby tonight, the DJ got us falling in love again.
One last ride.
Get low when the whistle goes.
Now we talk.
Good morning guys, ako pala si Jason Baratas. Dating tambay, dating laging sinasabihan na walang pag-asang masinso sa buhay. Ngayon dito na, hawak ko na isa sa pangarap ko sa sasakyan, Ford Ranger XLT 2015 model. Kaya laking pasasalamat ko sa tito ko, sa Angelo Baratas, na siyang kumuha sa akin sa probinsya para ituro sa akin at ipakita ang napakagandang opportunity yung global na nakita niya. Kaya ito ngayon guys, ito yung resulta sa isang taon kalahating hatawan. Ito na, brand new Ford Ranger XLT. Sa mga nag-iisip pa guys, actually dapat huwag nyo na pag-isipan pa. Kasi ang nakakaduda ngayon hindi na yung global, hindi na yung networking. Ang nakakaduda ngayon, kung pag-graduate mo, may trabaho ka pa ba? Kung nagtatrabaho ka man ngayon, kung magkano yung natitira sa'yo. Baka matagal ka na dyan sa ginagawa mo, wala ka pa rin naipon. 9 years na yung global, sobrang dami ng napayaman. Ano yung kwento? Kwento is ito na, nakikita nyo na yung result. Hindi na kailangan pang pagdudahan pa. Ang kailangan nyo na lang gawin, paniwalaan at trabahuin. Kasi ako na magsasabi sa inyo, once na ginawa nyo yung global, sineryoso nyo, tinarbaho nyo ng todo, meron mangyayari sa inyo. Challenge ko na lang sa inyo guys, kung nagagawa ng tambay na tulad ko, mas magagawa nyo. Power. Kaya sumabay na kayo.
I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. It's going down for real. Your girl just kissed the girl. I do buy. I love my beaches, south beaches, surfboard and high tide. I can just roll up, cause I'm swole up. So that birthday cake get the Cobra. Bugatti for real, I'm Cobra. The autobiography rover. Gotta keep to my city. Rackets, ratchets, hold up. I said rackets, ratchets, hold up. I know it can.
Grabe, ang dami na namin nagkaresulta dito. Dapat sumabay ka na. Kaya sa mga hindi pa members, dapat subukan ito. Malay nyo yung naabot namin, pwede mo rin makuha. At sa mga members na nagsimula pa lang, dapat natawin mo na. Kasi ito yung buhay na tintay sa'yo dito. Dapat huwag mo na itong pakawalan. Grabe, power.
And they already know me. It's never seen it, cause my tins by limousines. My touch say it's the Midas. We the plus your man a minus. My team blowing on that slam. Make you cough, that's bronchitis. Put your no more makeup. Get that ass on the floor, ladies. Put your lipstick up. Double entendre. Double entendre. Why you hating? I get your money. You came here to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open.
Guys, grabe power. Dalawa sa grupo ko ngayon ang
naglalabas ng sasakyan niya, dapat dyan ka na.